Hello, today I am going to show you how to install TWRP recovery on Galaxy J200H. It's only for that J200H and it perfectly works on my device. First you have to download the file, which I will put in the link. Just after downloading the file, the file is like this, and just click here. You have to extract using your extractor, and then it's like goes like this. After that, go to your mobile phone. After going to the mobile phone, just you have to press 3 buttons to enable the boot mode and enable the flash mode. For this you have to because of the camera it is very much difficult for me. Okay, I am doing it like this. After that, just see here, these 3 buttons you have to press. These 3 buttons are the up button, the down volume button, power button, and home button. Just click them at a time. Yeah, it's coming into recovery. After going to recovery, you have to press the up volume button. Okay, with mobile it is done. And then you have to have Odin version 3.0. You can find it anywhere. I have already downloaded the Odin. Just type ODIN. The file is coming, has gone, and from here yes, you can see Odin. From here go to AP. Don't touch anything, don't do anything, just go to AP, click here, and you will directly go to recovery. Here are 2 TWRP recovery. There is in the top, there is J200H. This is for J200H. If you have Samsung Galaxy, just click on it and open and start. You can see there. Okay, it is passed and your mobile is now static. You can see your mobile. To know it, you can just take out the battery. Take the battery out like this. Yeah, it is done. And put it back. And to go to boot mode, you have to TWRP, you have to press volume up button, down button, and this button. It is very difficult to me. I am just doing like this. Press until the recovery mode doesn't come. Okay, it is, we are doing. Sometimes you have to lift. Okay, it's come. Oh, sorry, I am doing 1 second. It's not going there. Just do that again. If such a thing happen. It's much more difficult for me. How can I just novelty manner? Okay, just see here. A button, this button, and this button. it may take up to 10 seconds to do that thing, so don't hurry. Yeah, now left it how it is, just left it, and at a while you can see that wow, it's just going there. You can see. Okay, from here we have to download the super user, which is in the file, and I have already put it in my SD card. Just go here. You can just see this is Twrp recovery, and you are in the Twrp, and here you can find Twrp version 2.0.zip. Just click on it and just swipe it. It is in the process. Don't worry, don't hurry, because you are going to be a developer. Yeah, and it's all done. So reboot recovery. That doesn't matter anything. This may happen for 1 or 2 times, and your phone will just starts. Don't worry. Yeah, you can see that. It is optimizing because you are now doing that and starting apps. Okay, now you can see in your Galaxy Z2 the super user here. Okay, now you are done. Please subscribe our channel for more things. Please comment me if something went wrong or something that I can solve. Thank you.